Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we have an exciting lineup for you as we count down the best-selling spark plug and ignition tools products on Amazon. These top-rated items have been tried, tested, and highly praised by countless users. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are essential for your automotive toolkit. Without further ado, let's dive right in and discover which spark plug and ignition tools made it to the top of the list. Alright, gearheads and tool enthusiasts, let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon. Brace yourself for the CTA Tools 3235 Spark Plug Gapper, a powerhouse of precision. Imagine this. You're fine-tuning your engine, striving for that perfect spark gap. You need a tool that's not just reliable, but professional grade. Enter the CTA Tools 3235. It's part of a wide range of professional automotive specialty tools, meticulously crafted for those who demand excellence. This isn't just another tool, it's a professional-grade marvel. The heavy-duty design means it's built to last, handling the rigors of even the toughest garages. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is your ticket to achieving optimal performance. Why settle for less when you can have the best? The CTA Tools 3235 Spark Plug Gapper ensures precise measurements, delivering that perfect spark gap every single time. It's the tool that professionals trust and rely on. So for those who seek precision, durability, and professional-grade quality, the CTA Tools 3235 Spark Plug Gapper is your go-to. Elevate your toolkit and experience the difference a high-quality tool can make. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, bringing you the top choices in spark plug and ignition tools. Prepare yourself for an electrifying reveal as we move on to number 4 in our top 5 best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon. Introducing the Lisle 20610 Inline Spark Tester, a versatile and indispensable gadget for any automotive toolkit. Picture this. You're diagnosing an ignition issue, and you need a reliable, efficient way to check your system. The Lisle 20610 is your go-to solution. It gives a visual check of the ignition system, quickly diagnosing problems with all ignition systems. Simple yet brilliant, right? What makes it even more impressive? This tool is ingeniously double-ended. It offers both a straight boot and a 90-degree boot, making it adaptable for various setups. Just connect the tool between the spark plug and the plug wire, and with the engine running, watch as the tool flashes a mirror image of the ignition spark. This isn't just clever engineering, it's patented genius. Patent number 6,714,015 to be precise. It's the kind of innovation that sets Lisle apart from the rest. For those who crave precision and reliability in diagnosing ignition issues, the Lisle 20610 Inline Spark Tester is a must-have. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this tool ensures you get the job done right, every single time. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, bringing you the creme de la creme of spark plug and ignition tools. Alright, let's elevate our countdown as we unveil number 3 in our top 5 best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon. Introducing the Toolwiz Spark Plug Gap Tool, an essential addition for every automotive enthusiast and professional mechanic alike. Universal fitment is key here. The Toolwiz Spark Plug Gap Tool is compatible with most 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and 16mm standard spark plugs. However, do remember, it's not suitable for 18mm thread, long reach, or short reach plugs. Always check your spark plug size before purchasing. Now, imagine saving precious time and effort while gapping spark plugs. With this tool, it's a breeze. Simply place the spark plug onto the gapping tool, select your desired feeler gauge thickness, and slowly screw the knob until the side electrode compresses to the precise gap thickness. It's that simple and efficient. Adjustment tips are crucial. Due to normal physical phenomena, some spark plug electrodes may spring back slightly when adjusting the gap. A pro tip: if your desired gap is 0.03 inches, use a 0.028-inch feeler gauge for more accurate results. Speaking of feeler gauges, The Toolwiz includes a dual-marked stainless steel feeler gauge, offering a measurement range from 0.001 inches to 0.04 inches, 0.03 mm to 1 mm. Made from high-quality flexible 65 manganese steel, it's hardened and polished for long-lasting, precise usage. Worried about reliability? Don't be. This package comes with one spark plug gap tool and one feeler gauge, all backed by a Performance Assurance Limited lifetime warranty. If any issues arise, Toolwiz has you covered with direct customer support. The Toolwiz Spark Plug Gap Tool is your go-to for universal fitment, effortless adjustment, and precise gapping. Enhance your toolkit and enjoy the assurance of top-notch performance. Stay with us as we move forward in our countdown, revealing more top-tier spark plug and ignition tools. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your tools in top gear and never miss out on the latest updates. And now, let's move on to the thrilling number 2 in our top 5 best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon. Presenting the WORKPRO 5/8 inches magnetic spark plug socket, a true game-changer in automotive maintenance. Specifications matter. The WORKPRO spark plug socket is a 5/8-inch 3/8-inch drive and 4 inches in length. Its inner diameter of 11.3 mm or 0.44 inches ensures compatibility with most standard spark plugs. But it doesn't stop there. The 12-point design grips the flat sides of the fastener head, not the corners, effectively preventing round-off. Precision and protection in one. Quality is paramount. This thin wall spark plug socket is crafted from heat-treated chrome alloy, boasting high hardness and remarkable durability. The chrome-plated mirror finish not only looks sleek, but maximizes longevity by resisting rust and corrosion. If you're ever in doubt about your spark plug size, WORKPRO's customer support is ready to assist. Flexibility redefined. With a 360-degree swivel design, this spark plug socket offers maximum flexibility, making those tight spaces in your engine compartment easily accessible. Installation and removal of spark plugs have never been this smooth and efficient. Magnetic magic. The magnetic core design of this socket ensures that the spark plug is securely retained and protected during installation, minimizing the risk of losing the plug and reducing potential damage. It's the epitome of convenience and reliability. Ease of use is key. The integrated design of this swivel-thin wall socket makes spark plug removal and installation a breeze. The 12-point design enhances gripping power, while the knurled grip helps maintain a firm hold, minimizing the chance of slipping and reducing hand fatigue. In summary, the WORKPRO 5/8 inches magnetic spark plug socket combines top-notch quality, unparalleled flexibility, and user-friendly features. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about automotive maintenance. Stay tuned as we approach the grand finale, revealing the number 1 spark plug and ignition tool on Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for has arrived. At the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon, we proudly present the LEXIVON 5/8 inches swivel magnetic spark plug socket. A must-have for any serious mechanic or car enthusiast, this tool combines innovation and excellence. The smooth 360-degree ball swivel, enhanced with a magnetic and thin wall design, ensures you tackle any spark plug job with ease. The 3/8 inches drive and impressive 10-inch total length provide unmatched reach and flexibility. But let's talk durability. Crafted from hardened and heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, this socket is built to withstand the test of time. Designed specifically for spark plug removal and installation, it's a tool that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Longevity is key. The fully polished chrome-plated mirror finish resists corrosion, making it easy to clean and maintain. A knurled shaft prevents slipping, ensuring a firm grip during use. Plus, the laser-etched size markings make identification a breeze, saving you time and effort. Comfort and precision are at the forefront with this tool. The magnetic core effectively retains spark plugs, minimizing damage and making installation a seamless experience. The smooth 360-degree action offers maximum flexibility, even in the tightest of spaces. And here's the best part, it's 100% risk-free. Meeting and exceeding ANSI standards, the LEXIVON socket is backed by a lifetime limited warranty, giving you complete peace of mind. In summary, the LEXIVON 5/8 inches swivel magnetic spark plug socket is the ultimate tool for those who demand quality, durability, and precision. It's a top-tier choice that truly stands out in the world of spark plug and ignition tools. Stay tuned for more amazing products and insights. And remember, the best tools make all the difference. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling spark plug and ignition tools on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.